everyone, this is Prakriti Raghuvanshi, and I am here with another part of Lesson 2, Apres Le Bac, French Class 10. Today we will cover the grammar part, Le Futur Anterieur. So, the Futur Anterieur is Le Futur Anterieur represent une action antérieure à une autre action dans l'avenir. So, Futur Anterieur exercises and the notes of these are pasted in the telegram. You can join and download. So you can see done and ale are conjugated according to future anterior. So arai done is a serai ale. So you can see some words are conjugated with avoir and some with etre. The words which are conjugated with avoir are conjugated like this. Say arai and the verb er is removed from the er ending verb. The arai done to auras. The verbs which are conjugated with etre and avoir are same as if conjugated with passé composé. So here you can see ale and done. We have to learn the words of conjugation of etre and avoir in future anterior, and these questions would be not asked like conjugated future anterior and all. In the last you will be taught in chapter meteo tamp conable, and it will have all the grammars taught in this. And this grammar is also an important part of. We'll see the next slide. The future anterior is used for an action that precedes or will be completed before another action in future. The future anterior is usually translated as will have and past participle of verb. The future perfect, the future perfect or future anterior. So in English, future anterior is future perfect. Is formed with simple future of the auxiliary etre or avoir plus the past participle of the main verb. The choice of etre and avoir as an auxiliary verb is same as in passé composé. As I told you before, the verbs which are conjugated with etre and avoir are same as in used in passé composé. I have given the list of the words on the telegram and also in my previous videos. You can watch it. I will share the playlist in the description box. Here is the pattern of war conjugation which you have to learn. So next is, so now we will do the question. Complete le dialogue suivant à l'aide des mots donnés ci-dessus. So complete the following dialogues using words given below. So words are used according to the sentences. The first one is, the presenter says, what do you want to do when you will have finished this? So what do you want to do when you will have finished your studies? So here we are a fini. Next, L1, student 1 says, après mon baccalauréat, the irai à la fac. After my baccalaureate, I will go to the university. So here will go is used, so we use IRA. The next is lorsque eu mon bac s'entra dans IUT. So the third is, second is lorsque eu mon bac s'entra dans IUT. After my baccalaureate, I will go to the university. Second one is, when I had my baccalaureate, I will enter an IUT. So you can see the first with anterior is used, then another grammar structure. So you will have to remember that first with anterior is used according to the verb given. Après mon bac, je suivrai une formation professional. After my baccalaureate, I will follow vocational training. So you can see here the student is saying that he will follow vocational training. The student 4, the L4, quand serait terminé bac, se passerait pour entrer dans l'école supérieure. I will have finished my when I will have finished my baccalaureate. I will go. So student 4 is saying, When I have finished my baccalaureate, I will take a competition to enter higher education. L5 Apres Le Bac ferai l'étude the technology. So after my baccalaureate, or short form is BSc Bac, he will further go to studies. He will study Letute technology in IUT. I have taught you this in the previous video. The L6 Karskas the Arayeptin Numa diplomas the share so the student 6 is saying when he gets his when he will obtain his diploma, when he will have obtained his diploma, he will search for a job. Now we will do the other exercise. Complete avec le futur antérieur. So here we will complete with futur and so the question number 1 is कौन से और fait मुतवई है the एराय उस cinema. So here, as I told you, we will first use with your interior, then we will go to the next, which is with your. So here, first we use arrive with your interior, then. So he's saying when I do my work, when I will do my work, I will go to cinema. So lorsque je arrive choisi un livre, je sortras this. So the second is saying when I will have chosen a book, I will take it out. As soon, third one is Asitat ka il se sera leve, il allumera la lumière. So I told you in my previous video that the verbs which is pronominal verbs, are conjugated with être. So as soon as he will rise, he will turn on the light. So this is the culture civilization part of the chapter 2. This comes in the later. I will share you this culture civilization detailed explanation and that later in the Telegram channel. Please join for it. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like icon. Thank you.